question is on how to identify special parallelograms, and really it's based on their diagonals. All we're going to look at is if we have diagonals that are congruent, we're just going to call it a rectangle. If diagonals are perpendicular, we're going to call it a rhombus. If we have both a rectangle and a rhombus, so they're congruent and perpendicular, that means we're just going to be able to call it then a square, because a square is both a rectangle and a rhombus. So to look at how we want to do this, we're given a quadrilateral ABCD. We want to look at its diagonal. So what we're going to do, we're going to make our little mountains that we guys like so much, and we're going to analyze them. So we're going to look at first diagonal lengths. We're going to look at AC, and we're going to look at BD. Let's start with AC. When I look at that diagonal length, that means I'm doing a distance formula. AC, subtract the x into the square, 8 minus 0 squared, and subtract the y to the square, 6 minus 2 squared. So that means I have here 8 squared is 64, 6 minus 2 is 4 squared is 16, so I have the square root of 80. For BD, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Subtract my x's, so 5 minus 3 squared, and then subtract the y's, 6 minus 2 squared. This will give me 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16, this is the square root of 20. Now notice, these are not the same. These are not the same number. Therefore, we can say this is not a rectangle because we don't have diagonals that are the same. If it's not a rectangle, that means that obviously it cannot be a square either. So we can immediately eliminate those two possibilities. If I can write square, we can eliminate those possibilities immediately. Now, to look at slopes. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to look at AC. We're going to look at BD as well. And we're going to see what those slopes are. So first, with AC, what its slope is. AC, subtract the y's up top, subtract the x's on the bottom. And I should get 4 over 8, which is 1/2. Now, I'm going to do the same for BD. Subtract the y's on the top, 6 minus 2. Subtract the x's on the bottom, 5 minus 3. Well, I take that back. I did 6 minus 2. That means I should have done not 5 minus 3, but 3 minus 5. Got to go in the same order. So I have 4 up top and a negative 2 on the bottom. That gives me a negative 2. Again, let's compare these. These two are opposite and reciprocal. Opposite reciprocals. That means that we have perpendicular diagonals. Because they're perpendicular, we're going to say that ABCD is a rhombus. So because it's a rhombus and it's not a rectangle, rhombus is all we can do. Again, if it was both rhombus and rectangle, that's the only time we say it would be a square. In this case, we have, as our final answer, just a rhombus.